Hi everyone. Today is Sunday, September 21st, and I thought I'd pop on just to share a little bit about my day. It's one of those Sundays where I'm moving in between home tasks and business tasks, trying to get things prepared for the week ahead. I've been doing the usual things around the house, getting things tidied up, meal planning, and just setting up my space so the week feels a little smoother. I find if I take a bit of time now, it helps me balance everything with work and business once Monday comes. But I like adding in bits of things for my day on the weekend to make sure I enjoy it. So in between those little chores, I've been sneaking in some creative time. I pulled out my IOD molds and clay, and along with one of my surfaces to begin a new autumn project. Slow crafting like this gives me a little pocket of joy in the middle of my busy weekend. I'm also filming the process, so in the next day or two, you'll get to see the full project video here on the channel. But make sure you stay tuned for little sneak peeks over here and on my social medias. Part of my day today has also been about working on my business, catching up on orders, preparing for upcoming projects, and just make sure I'm ready to step into the week with a clear plan. It's always a juggling act, but I love weaving creativity into parts of my day. I would love to know what's your favorite IOD mold to use in the fall season. You can leave a comment and let's swap some ideas. And if you'd like to create alongside me, you could always find the molds, clay, and a bunch of different surfaces in my shop. And just a quick reminder, tonight is the very last night to get double entries in my current giveaway with any purchase. You can also get entries by liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos, so don't miss out. If you haven't seen the September giveaway, there is a little video over on my channel here on YouTube showing some sneak peeks of that. So, I'm just showing these little molds. I just love this one with the elements of the fall leaves and acorns. And I just kind of went through them and picked out some that I thought gave me some inspiration. This one had those cute little embellished wheats and like type of grain type images that I thought would be fun to add in. I don't know exactly what I'm going to create yet. That's all part of how I kind of go. But these were several of the molds that I thought that would be fun to use. Again, you can find all these over on my shop if you don't have these in your collection yet. So that's my day, a mix of home, business, and a little creative time tucked in between. Thank you for taking a few minutes to sit here with me. I will have the full fall project ready for you very soon. I can't wait to show you, but again, stay tuned for some sneak peeks for my vision in my head. Until then, I hope you're able to carve out just a little bit of time for yourself today too. You guys take care.